This is my phase 2 rotary table and tailstock that I have for sale. It's under computer control, as you can see right now. It's going to 360 degrees right now. Then it'll stop, go back to 0. Then it's going to pause. That's going to go to 120 degrees. And now it's going to go to 360 degrees again. Then it's going to go to 180 degrees. And then it's going to go back to 0. Seems to run fine. Like I said, it's all brand new stuff. I bought it to sell these kits, but I only sold a few of them, and so it's not needed anymore. And good luck if you want it. Got a few more iterations of this G code. And there it is, back to 0.